Hi YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, welcoming you guys back into 2022 with the first unboxing haul of the year, guys. A lot of sneakers here to go over today. I think there's actually 6 sneakers in all of these like boxes over here. And believe it or not, a lot of these were retail cops, which is amazing. But anyway, let's get into the unboxing now, guys. We're gonna start it off with this one right here. This is a double sneaker box from Cause One, I believe. So you guys should know what this one is. And what was really dope is I actually copped all 4 of the Costa Kai Blazers, all for retail on the Cause website. Now, a lot of people are thinking, okay, well, that's not that big of an accomplishment. The resale and stuff isn't that lit. I do not care. I actually like the colorways of this. I'm planning to wear these. So this first one right here is probably the best colorway out of the 4. This is the Costa Kai Blazer in the Reed colorway, or like that light brown. And I think in terms of resale, these are probably like the most expensive ones as well, but it's only going for about like 200 bucks or so. So it's not even super expensive. Very nice shoe considering 200 bucks is like a retail sneaker now these days. And as for the details, again, this is probably the best colorway in my opinion. Reed is like that light brown color over here. And of course we got the double swooshes for Sakai, along with the double X's for Cause. I think that's actually a really dope collab. On the top over here, there's a mix of brown and orange laces with a little bit of like pink and light blue. So this is the first one over here. The second one should be the purple colorway, which I'm very interested in because originally I thought this was going to be the best colorway out of the 4. You know, this is actually really nice as well. And when you see it up close, the purple is like kind of like a deeper purple, reminiscent of like those court purple ones if you guys have the Jordans. This one has a mix of the light blue with the pink swoosh over here. And as for the laces, it's purple and like a kind of like a neon yellow look over here. Very interesting, but as I said, these colors scream Cause, which is what I really like about this one. So those are the first 2 sneakers we have so far. It gets much better down the line. This next one though, I think this one, because it's so light, it's not for me. This one's actually for Rio. This is ridiculous, man. You guys gotta see this. This is the size of the shipping box they used. All of this extra space in there. No packing paper. All for this little sneaker box. Like, I don't know, man. I was able to cop this directly on Mensiere, and the shoe, obviously, as most of you guys know, is the Mensiere Jordan 1. On that morning of the restock for the Mensiere ones, I was not able to get my size, but instead I was able to get a retail shoe for my son, so this is what he's gonna be wearing. And we already have my own pair of Mensiere ones as well, so we're gonna be able to match with that. I was just trying to double up, but was not lucky enough to get it. I was off by like, I think, a minute or so. It pretty much sold out in 4 minutes. But yeah, you guys can check this one out. Kid shoes are always trippy, guys. The details are always a little bit different from the main pairs just because they use like less quality material for toddler shoes. But the theme is the same. It has like that burgundy kind of look, Mensiere on the back. And it also nicely has like that padded inside lining, which I think is cool. It gives like that slightly premium vibe for the kids. But again, the materials used are not the same as the Jordan 1, like in the high version, men's sizing. As a parent, I try to get like slightly bigger shoes for Rio because obviously he's not walking yet. So I want to like get a size where he's going to actually walk around in these things. So I went a little bit bigger, but when he actually can wear it, man, it's going to be fun to be matching with him. All right, more retail cops, dude. I swear we got super lucky like in the past 2 months of the year. This next one is from Adidas, that's why. And I've been hitting a lot on Confirmed app. I'm not gonna lie. Confirmed is by far my favorite sneaker copping app right now. It seems like it's like the most balanced and everybody gets a cop like at least like once every 2 months, where Sneakers app, I swear I'm hitting like once every 4 or 5 months, so it's a ridiculous low rate. This one though, $350. We're able to get this on Confirmed, size 10.5, and man, I'm actually excited for this one because we were able to hit on a pair of the Yeezy Belugas in the reflective colorway. As you guys know, I was never a big fan of Yeezy 350s, but this was one of the colorways that I always thought was not bad. The overall color is subtle, that's why, with like that gray tone, but obviously that orange stripe sets it off to make it stand out a little bit. Not too much, not overly flashy. I'm not sure if you guys can see the reflective detailing on this, but this is what the Yeezy Beluga looks like. A lot of you guys know what this is already. As I mentioned, that bright orange stripe on the side is what sets it off, but I do like that upper and that subtle like gray tone. Bottoms, we still have that same Boost material. Boost material is still very, very comfortable and very good. I wear Ultra Boost to the gym every day. So we'll put that back over here. And speaking of Adidas Confirmed, I believe that this one is also from Confirmed app as well. I'm not sure what your guys' hit rate is with Confirmed, but you guys can look on my app over here. I have this icon status, which I guess is level 4. I've had it for a couple years now just because I've been continuously copying Yeezys and stuff on there and built that up. And I'm not sure if that helps you get more like wins on Confirmed, but I swear it's like a 50% hit rate. It seems like that on Yeezys and stuff. I'm hitting very often. This is not to brag, this is just to show you guys like whatever whatever the formula is they have over there, it seems a lot more fair than sneakers. Anyway, for the sneaker here, so again, Yeezy 350, retail cop, size 10.5, my size, and the shoe is this one right here, which I was very interested to see in person. The Yeezy 350 MX Rock. Oh man, I don't know about this one. Typically, like the all black Yeezys go for a good amount of money and they usually look pretty solid because it's a very functional shoe. But this one, it's textured, it's a little bit different than what we're used to. However, still, I don't really like this one. I'll show you guys up close why. Guess because they're calling it MX Rock, it kind of looks like rock formations if you think about it. There's a little bit of brown in there, it has a lot of texture over the top, and also that see-through stripe is still here on the side. Still using that boost material, which I mentioned is very good, but the colorway is what we're looking for, and this one, not really for me. So you guys might see this one on the website, I'm not sure yet. Just keep an eye on untitledway.com, it might be up there for retail. All right, and the last sneaker for our first sneaker haul of 2022. This one I am very excited about. It's probably like in my top 5 cops of last year, and for whatever reason, people are really sleeping on this one. The retail price is not bad at all, and I would highly encourage everybody to cop a pair of these because I've seen them in person. They're very nice, and I'm very excited to add them to my own personal collection. These are fire. Even the box is really nice too. So check this out. A6 Kith, some of you guys know what this is. Very cool box, size 10.5, gel light 5. We don't see very many A6 on the channel. Ooh, it even comes with a bag, I didn't know that. So we got a little A6 bag over here, like a sneaker bag. But for the shoe, what everybody should care about, this is the gel light 5 salmon toe, guys. And if you guys don't know what the salmon toe colorway is, you might be a wannabe sneakerhead. The salmon toe originals were a fire and coveted sneaker, and I still really want a pair very bad, but they're going for like 1,200 bucks right now. There was a 2.0 version where there was like a black sole instead. Doesn't look as nice. This one is the 3rd iteration though on the gel light 5 A6. And dude, I'm super happy with this one. I might have to double up because the prices are so low right now. It's called the salmon toe obviously because of that salmon colorway on the toe box. Very iconic, but I don't know, I just feel like these colors work really well. That dark navy blue, salmon color, white, it just really meshes well and creates a very nice sneaker. You guys can see that there's Kith branding on the back over here, and also on the inside sole it says A6 and Kith. So that is the salmon toe colorway. And one thing that I saw in here, I'm not sure if this comes with all of them, but this is kind of cool. I guess it came with like a little pin. I don't know what you're supposed to do with this, but it's always nice to have bonuses with your sneakers. So there's a little salmon toe pin right there. The A6 usually have a bunch of different laces. So you guys can see we got like 4 laces over here. There's like this gray one, white, pink salmon color, and also rope laces if you guys want to use rope laces. Anyway guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are able to cop a lot of W's this year. Be sure to have your notifications on, hit that like button, and continue to support the channel through 2022. I love you guys so much for what you guys do for me. Every single time you guys comment, it just makes my day. So please continue to do that, and I appreciate all of you guys' support behind the camera. Anyway, until next video guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoot!